What's up? Welcome. Today I'll be taking you through how to test and design your website before taking it to the live server. You might be asking how. So today I'll be showing you on one of the local servers that you can use. One here is XAMPP, that is XAMBP. And again, as you can see, we have various versions, one for Windows, one for Linux, and one for Apple. I think most of the people are using Windows, so I'll go for Windows for our demo today. So you'll have to click on this link to download your XAMPP. As you can see, we have a download link here, so I'll not do that because I already have the link. So I'll open that link here. Again, this one will help you a lot to understand most of your back end of your website. So let's install it. Again, the process might take some time, so I'll at some point I'll pause the video, then we continue after the installation. So after this, let's click on install, and I encourage you to use administrator account. So let's say yes for that. So let's wait for it to open so that we can continue. Yes, it's taking some time, but I think it will pop up. Let's give it a minute. There it is. There it is. So again, this is the first step that you do. Just click yes. Again, it will be asking for your user account control. Click yes, and the next step, I think you'll have to just accept. And again, as you install, I encourage you to put that on your C. You have other options on putting it under my, that is, program files. So I highly encourage you to just put it in a folder on your C drive. Let's click next. Next again. So let me pause the video as we install this. Welcome back. As you can see, the installation is finished, but first we'll have to go to the control panel. As you can see, it's ticked, and it's asking, do you want to start the control panel? Have it ticked and click finish. Let's wait for a minute for it to load. Also, the first thing you have to do is choose the language. I'll go for the first one and click save. Let's wait for a minute to load. As you can see, we have it on the taskbar. Let's click on it. There it is. So the first thing that we need to do is first to install or to download a WordPress package. So again, I've done this before, so I think we'll reduce the time that we'll download that by going direct to the folder. So let's first minimize that. Go to where we have our package. For this case, I have that in my D drive, and sites, and there it is. So in this case, we'll have to copy the content in this folder to our SAMP folder. I'll show you that, so don't worry. Let's double click on that. Let's double click it again. So the content that we have here should be on our local server. So let's copy this, and I'll show you where to paste that. My comp is a bit slow because I have some apps running in the background, so be patient. There it is. Let's copy that, and again, so remember we installed the SAMP on our local drive C. Let's locate that right there. Let's double click on it, and again, don't be intimidated by the folders that we have here. So we'll go for the HD docs folder, and under this folder, this is where be placed, or it will be placed inside here. So let's create a folder and name it affiliates. And then let's open it. Remember, we copied the WordPress package from our folder. Here is where we paste those packages. There it is. If I'm fast on doing this, we'll have to replay this video. So let's wait for it to copy the file. As we wait for this, my friends, my affiliate friends out there, please try and lead your downline on doing most of this stuff. Why am I saying that? For them to stay on the program, you need them to know and implement this small task, and for them to understand, I think you'll need to guide them on doing that, not just letting them join under you and leave them just like that. So enough of that. We are almost there. There it is. There it is. So we've copied the WordPress files inside our affiliate folder on our local server. Next, I'll guide you through again having your first database so that you can link the two. That is your server. So let's start by launching or starting Apache right there. We start my SQL right there. Don't worry about the messages down here. Again, when it asks for this access, please allow it, because this one is what we've just launched up here. So allow that. So we are through with copying the files to the affiliate local folder. We are done with launching Apache and MySQL. The next thing is for us to install the package on our local server, that is installing WordPress on our local server. So let us go inside my SQL panel. By clicking that, it will launch that in a browser. I think you're not able to see that. Let me resize my screen so that you can see. There it is. There it is. This is the PHP my admin dashboard. So the first thing that we need to do is to create a database. Why are we creating this? Because when we'll be installing WordPress on our local server, we will need these details. So let's start by clicking on database here, and the first thing that we say is the database page. We're given the database name here and some other details down here. So don't worry about the details down here. Let's just have our database name being let's use affiliate. Let's use affiliate, or in this case powerhouse. Let's use powerhouse. After that, we click create button on this section here, and as you can see, the database has been created. On your left, second last, is our database. Let's click on it so that I can show you some few things. So we have our database open, as you can see up here. So for now, we'll stop there and go back to that is let's launch or install a WordPress. Remember your details. That is for Powerhouse database. Our database name is Powerhouse. We've not inserted any password, so when we are asked to input our password when installing WordPress, we will leave it blank. See you in the next video. Enjoy.